Hello students, welcome to Global Online Chemistry. Today we are going to see our important reaction, that is Negishi reaction. This is important reaction regarding SAT and NEET because many times question asked on Negishi reaction. In this video we are going to discuss a statement, reaction, reaction mechanisms and problem related to it. Now let's start. If we talk about the statement, Negishi reaction is palladium catalyzed cross-coupling reaction of alkenyl aryl halide with unsaturated organozinc reagents to provide stereospecified aryl alkenes, aryl alkynes, conjugated diene and conjugated enines. Maybe this statement is very difficult to understand. I am going to break down it into simple words. First of all, we have to remember three key points. First key point is reaction is catalyzed in presence of palladium. It is occur in presence of organozinc reagent. And what is our product? Carbon-carbon single bond formation between two reactants is our product, means R1 single bond, R2 is our required product. Now look at this. This is an alkene attached with zinc chloride, means this is an organozinc compound. It is coupled with alkyne in presence of palladium as a catalyst. Now what we have to do in such type of reaction? We have to form R1 R2, means carbon carbon single bond. Now let's consider this is our R1 group and this is our R2 group. Now what we have to do? Just we have to connect R1 carbon single bond into R2. Means we have to connect R1 R2, which is our required product. Now look at the product. I have written R1 as it is and it is directly attached by single bond with R2. Means how this product is formed, we are going to see a stepwise, a detailed mechanism of such type of reaction. Now look at the mechanism. Reaction involve palladium as a catalyst in zero oxidation state. After oxidative addition, we get a complex. Complex after transmetallation with organozinc reagent, we got another complex. After reductive elimination, we got R1 single bond R2, which is our required product. Means such type of reaction are helpful for carbon-carbon single bond formation. Means if you don't understand the mechanism, you have to remember a simple trick. If you have to solve problem regarding to Negishi reaction, you have to remember first that is it is palladium catalyzed reaction. Secondly, it occur in presence of organozinc reagent. And third, what is our required product? Carbon carbon single bond, means R1 R2, which is our required product. Now let's see some example regarding it. Now look at the first example. Just observe what they have given. They have given organozinc compound. They have given aryl halide in presence of palladium as a catalyst. By observation, we come to know that this is a Negishi reaction. And we have just discussed what is Negishi reaction. It occur in presence of palladium as a catalyst. It occur in presence of organozinc as a compound. And what is our product? R1 R2. R1 single bond R2 is our required product. Now what is our R1? This is our R1. This is our R2. Now form R1 R2 as a single product. This is our required product. Now look at second one. Similar observation. ZnBr means this is an organozinc compound in presence of aryl halide. In presence of palladium, what we get? R1 single bond R2 product. Which is our required product. If anyone have a doubt regarding this mechanism or problems, then he or she can comment in a comment box. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching.